Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dork side. I'm the Dork in the road, and today, this glow-in-the-dark vinyl, it's gotta go. That's right everyone, I'm the Dork in the road and I want to be your internet writing buddy, so please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on those notifications. I'm sitting here on the Adventure Grom and we are ready to start our first build video. And the very first order of business on this motorcycle is I think I'm going to remove this glow-in-the-dark white vinyl to expose the black beauty Grom that is underneath. A lot of you have advocated for keeping the glow-in-the-dark. It's actually pretty cool and kind of unique, but it is a little rough around the edges. Mad respect to the person who put it on here, but I think eventually that's just going to bother me and I would end up taking it off anyway, and so I'm just going to go with a black theme for this bike. The accessories, the mods that I've ordered are black. In order to make the whole thing match, I gotta get this white colored vinyl off to get back to the black underneath. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna use a heat gun. I'm gonna try to peel vinyl off. It's the first time I've ever actually done that, but from my research, seems pretty doable. Hopefully we can do it with a minimal amount of swearing. There's only a few body panels that I think have to come off. These turn signal bracket things, they're gonna have to come off. The seat has to come off, but I think everything else is pretty reasonably easy to get to. So that may change as we go along, but I'm optimistic we won't have to take a bunch of body panels off. So let me show you what the vinyl looks like around the edges, just so you get a sense of what I'm talking about and why I think I want to peel it off. I don't know if you can see this around the edges and in here and then up here. It's just a little rough in spots like that. And I also really like the Honda badging and I miss it, so hopefully those stickers are still intact underneath and will come off reasonably well. Overall though, she did a really good job putting this vinyl on, so I'm really impressed. Say goodbye to it. I'm going to start with the seat. There we go. It's off. It's a lot nicer to be able to get to these edges. You probably can't see me. I don't frame these shots well. I don't know if you've noticed. Oh, got it. Okay. And these will just dingle dangle. That's what she said. Supposedly the trick here is don't get it too hot and then pull at a not very severe angle. So let's see. I actually got two pieces intersecting here. I'm going to try to take the top piece off. Okay, I don't want to speak too soon, but this is relatively easy so far. And I'm committed now because I can't just put this one piece back on. Now you don't want to get it too hot. I can tell that already, so I don't need to preheat it much. Just kind of hit it as I go. The heat is really helping. It doesn't look like it, but it makes it pliable and not so hard and crisp. Got that much. Black headlight shroud. Progress. That took 18 minutes. So it's a little dirty. I don't know if you saw the first Adventure Grom adventure ride, but got a little muddy. Okay, my quest to not take body panels off has already been thwarted because I have to take this piece off to get underneath it, but let's see how minimal of a removal we can do here. Alright, well, I should have known that wasn't going to work. I'm going to have to take these body panels off because the only way to get to this is to take these off. And at that point, I might as well just remove the plastic or the vinyl with the panels off. Man, she did a good job. Really impressed with how thorough this vinyl was applied. Very nice. I just want to show my appreciation as I'm destroying all that hard work on doing what was obviously hours of work. There we go. A little residue under there. I don't know if that's from this or if she peeled off the other stickers. I hope the other stickers aren't gone. I really want them. Oh, I want those Honda badges to be under. So bad. God, I hope they're under there. Oh, I don't know how I was going to do it with this rat. I have to take this piece off? Probably. Looks like there's a little seam I'm going to have to get into. Well, there's a bolt here and a screw there. I am gonna have to take every body panel off. I mean, seriously, I was taking every body panel off except the fender. It didn't have to come off. So I'm just gonna take this whole back off while I'm in here. Might as well. That's not what I want. Oh, that was way worse. It went in the frame tube. Pay attention, a-hole. How am I supposed to get it out of there? That's about the dumbest thing I've ever done. I just lost a screw in this frame rail. Okay, modern problems require modern solutions. This is so stupid it might just work. Stuck the magnet that I was trying to use to get it out right here to this bolt. I'm gonna just lift the front end of this up and let gravity drop that screw out. Got one of my spare tires with a weight in it to keep it from moving backwards. This is a stupid solution to a stupid problem. Okay, it's out. I got it, the magnet worked. The magnet worked. Well, okay. It's right here at the entrance. I'm gonna get a pair of pliers and grab that. It's not stupid if it works. I just figured since I already took these off, I might as well just work on them over here, sitting down, and then I'll put them back on. Since I gotta take them apart, there's some screws here that have to come out. I'm gonna do all that over here, and then I'll put the panels back together and just put them back on the bike holes. Remember when I was gonna not take any body panels off? Oh, my sweet summer child. All right, that panel's out. There we go. Kind of funny, I can't believe I started this process saying, I hope I don't have to take any body panels off. Now I'm saying, I hope I don't have to take every body panel off. But I think I've already taken every body panel off. That dream is dead. Sorry, it's a little bit later. I just figured it was kind of tedious to watch me slowly peel off every single piece of vinyl as I went. But I have good news and I have bad news. The good news is this right here is the piece of vinyl we've been waiting for all along. It's all that's left. Everything else is peeled off. The bad news is I already did the other side and all of the Honda badges are gone. I was hoping maybe the stickers were still underneath this vinyl. They're not, which means I'm gonna have to order a custom set. So that's good and bad too, because it means I can get red, which is kind of, I think that'll look cool. Red stickers, very Dork in the road, very red and black on a black bike. But anyway, I just thought I'd bring you guys back in for this, the most important piece of vinyl, the last piece of vinyl. If you're peeling vinyl, I gotta tell you, the heat makes a huge difference. It makes it not so brittle, it makes it come off in one piece, but you can't get it super hot, so you just kind of go over it a few times, peel, go over a few times, peel. Work slowly but methodically. No residue whatsoever that I've seen. The vinyl comes right off, so that's really good. And obviously it got a little bit more involved than I was planning, but here we go, last piece, and then we can put these panels back on and we'll have ourselves a black Grom. It's gonna be sweet, so let's take this off. Oh my God, we're almost there, moment of truth. Ah, haha, my Grom is vinyl free. All right, let me just put this side panel back together and we'll put it on and we will be good to go. All right, that, my friends, is a complete Grom panel. Let's put it on the bike, get the seat back on, and we'll have ourselves a whole motorcycle. Underneath. Let's put the seat on. All black, all done. So what do you think of the black Grom? Do you like it better than the white Grom? Let me know in the comments. So it was an interesting afternoon. I learned a lot about peeling vinyl and losing pieces and tipping motorcycles backwards to get lost bolts out of the frame. All in all, successful, and I'm looking forward to the next steps with this bike. And there's a lot of mods on the way, so keep an eye out for those future vids. Make sure you're subscribed so you see the future vids in the Adventure Grom series, and don't forget to check out the video where I actually went out and rode the Adventure Grom. I'll put it up here in the mud, got a little air. That was back when it was still white, which you know was before, a couple hours ago. For now, and for always, I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Well, thank you. Excellent!